I'm over here. So right now, I'm at my bed. Right now, I'm over here. I'm chilling.
Some of G's them right about now, you don't know. It's another day, so it's another vlog. I'm not lying, I just wake up and last night Braffins was a vibe, it was different. I know me feel like I'm not sleep. I know. You know what I mean? But we have to give thanks because you don't know the earth strong and we live for seeds, so we always have to give thanks for that, you know what I mean? One up first, more say thank you to my baby love, you know what I mean, Daniel. I really and truly appreciate my surprise. You don't know, because I don't talk to you about that earlier. That's a foolish stuff, so you know me don't know. But yeah, blessings and respect for that. My brother them way there, everybody way there. Big up on yourself, Candy, big up yourself. Enjoy my birthday. Big uno up to you know what I mean, my G's them. Everybody will wish me a happy birthday, everybody will send love, everybody will send blessings. On YouTube, Instagram, YouTube, no matter what, from you send it, you know what I mean? Blessings and respect for that. Yeah, we just get the day started. So right now I'm still tired, but when we are doing it, we are doing it. So blessings and respect again for the love, the support and all of them good stuff. They do remember for always like the video call. From where me soon now, kill the video like, kill the likes, you know what I mean? Appreciate that again, me appreciate the comment and all of them good stuff there, so. Blessings and respect. Journey with me today. One more.
Nice, cheers, no banana put it.
What wrong with you, Nice?
Just watch it in.
Don't be scared, man.
Cause you're hungry.
Okay, but don't be telling me to take her off.
What? Take her off!
You must be done. You see how he be setting me up for failure?
Absolutely not. I'm wearing it.
No, keep his head over there, please, because he already struck up for one time. It's not happening again.
Yo, Nice take away yourself, Charles, when I see while in tear down your flank guard. Watch you ain't gonna cross the road. Nice to cross the road. You're fast, man. Can't not trust him neither, you're sick, you go on. It's right now, feeding time. You know what's in there. I feed him yesterday, but I try fatten him up, so I try to see if he want food again today. I have some crickets that jump up in the bag, yeah. So let's see if he's hungry. Hard part now enough to see if we can catch a little wild cricket. I don't little bit on wireless. I guess it's 2 minutes one and get way in here. See me fight for life. I'm dropping panny one soon. Trouble. I'm probably not hungry enough. Place a cricketer walk up towards him. Your money grab him. He's hungry. I try fatten him up. So I go give him sitting regularly now. Good. Grab the one there. I just feed him last night, you know. Last night go buy cricket. And we feed him. Travis feed him one already. Some good size one. You see how my one small? Maybe get the small one, Travis to get the big one. So I go feed up my one, make him get big. Let me see what I'm going on this. But I try zoom in, but don't turn already. You know I'm going there and go shoot off of me, you know?
Back broke.
He's saying back broke. So look at him in the people in place at drive. Nobody don't know when Nice there. We had over there so dog.
I'm on my 15 minutes.
Nice up on the 15-minute breaks. Troubles drive gone. Then go and live with dog. God go with them. Mid over here, so. We in a Sam's Club right now again. Find a nice little game chair. This a chair. Your body, dog. You get the one there? $100 for this. So I probably just get this. You feel. I don't know. We should have a different color though. Or this is the only color they have?
Yeah, red and black, you know the vibe.
I don't want red and black. If I see a different color, I get it, but for now, recliner there on the other side. Alright, we're going to check out the recliner there. Oh, idle can you be? The man a vlog, you know? A vlog, you know?
Yo, you lock up now. Yeah. Oh, Miyako.
Something wrong with the man, you know? The man just a drive right round.
Yo, you put a big camera right here.
So right now we're there, you know what I mean, and Shabbos I try fling this cross Yasso from over there so to Yasso.
Yo, he Tom Brady?
Me don't know who in think him a who.
Yo, me tell Travis if him throw it, I could probably pass the
He Tom Brady?
little
Me
water
don't know,
fountain, something like
me don't know who in think him a who.
Yo, now you don't waste the time, dog.
Ricky, where is it?
Waste the time.
Impossible.
The ball they have no year.
And that's the worst thing.
Yo, them things are 100 yards and make a play.
No. You see,
A madman.
yes, so across that's a wood that. But for throw it from this up all the way to the end this up, that. What bad cat you say? That will
That
never
happen.
That nah, brother.
Yo, who you
Yo,
think
you
it
don't look
is?
for it.
Who you think it is?
start, a nice head start. Name somebody who play football. You not Tom Brady? I'm Tom Brady.
No.
You know the choice?
Meds in a building, you know what I mean? We're there. This a boy, you're looking up people from Yasso to over there, so Chabas say he can fling it.
Bro, I will eat that still.
A madman, look on his little hand there.
Leave.
This about half.
What's in little forearm?
Daddy will buy you a bus.
Oh, we got stripped.
From Yasso to down there, so that's
You're not even making it past the 1 yard.
This is true.
Where you go? Where you go just now? Over.
What?
Junior in a
No,
building.
you're not?
No, not in this.
Talk about swim in the water.
It's dirty.
Junior,
Yeah, you can't
no,
swim
listen
in
to me,
this.
you know. Junior, you want to ride the bike?
Watch out.
Junior say he want to go swim.
No.
Where you going?
Bike, you want to go ride it.
Careful.
No, we can't go over this.
I'm
Where you want to do?
footprint.
You found the key?
No.
Where you put it?
I see your footprint.
Footprint?
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, My G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.